The Aqidah of the Sahaba Kiram, the love they had for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Khuzaimah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he was walking and he saw the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was stood near a man. And they were talking to one another, and he says, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what's the matter? And the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he says that I've done a deal with this person that I'm going to purchase a horse from him. Now he's denying that he sold me the horse, and he did sell me the horse. And Abu Khuzaimah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he says that, O Prophet of Allah, I am your witness. You did buy that horse. And the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he looked at him and he says, well, you were not here. How can you be a witness? Allah. And Khuzaimah radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he says, O Prophet of Allah, we haven't seen Allah, but you told us about Allah. Allah. You know, there's so many things, Ya Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we haven't seen. You told us. So why shall we not believe that you have done this deal with this person? Allah. And look at the gift the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam gives to him, that he says, Oh Khuzaimah, wherever you are a witness, one is enough for everyone.
Allah.
Subhanallah, meaning you equate to two witnesses.
Yeah, the rulings is for two.
Two men or one man or two women, but you are enough for one.
One and only.
Subhanallah.